So now this is how we how we analyze our market. Let me move down to the 4-hour time frame here so that you see clearly. This is 4-hour time frame. So you can see this is our market analysis. At market reaches this point, reject it. So you can see this is top down analysis. If you want to know something like this, just comment on this video, send me a message, check my my description, my channel description. You see my mail, you see my social media platforms, TikTok or Facebook. You reach out to me, I'll show you technical analysis and market structure, because that is the best thing for you to trade forex and stand a chance to win. You need to know the market structure. Very important, market structure, before you can win trades. So that is it for now. That is it for today. I think I will make the video again and show you what we call demand zone. Where is demand zone? Where is supply zone? Where is resistance zone? Where can a resistance zone become a supply zone? How do we know fair value gaps? All those things. That is the next video I will make for you guys to see. So now let me show you the profit I'm making today. Only today. We go in there. This is today money I'm making. As you can see, $324 is what I'm making today. $364.10. I make the first market, make here 145, make it 145. Then this one I make it $33. That is how profitable forex is, and that is how you can analyze your market well and earn money consistently like this, with you just trading gold, just trading gold. I have a lot to show you guys. Just subscribe to this channel. Don't just watch, just subscribe to this channel. Watch it to the end so that you will not miss it. Watch this video to the end so that you will not miss it. Subscribe to this channel and turn on the bell notification icon so that anytime I'm publishing inspiring content like this, YouTube will notify you and you quickly be the first person to watch it before others join you. See you there next time. I'll drop another video. Thank you.